Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your DoorDash merchant profile for higher visibility step by step clearly. Log in to your DoorDash merchant portal. Navigate to the profile section in the dashboard. Select the Business Information tab. Review your business name for accuracy. Update your business name if necessary. Check your address to ensure it's correct. Make any needed adjustments. Verify your phone number is current. Add a business email address for customer inquiries. Update your business hours to reflect your operational times. Include any special hours for holidays or events. Scroll to the menu section of your profile. Ensure your menu items are current and accurately described. Add high-quality images of your food items. Include detailed descriptions to entice customers. Adjust your pricing if necessary, keeping it competitive. Review and update delivery options and fees. Consider offering promotions to attract new customers. Once you've made all updates, save your changes. Review your profile to ensure everything appears as intended. Promote your updated profile on social media platforms. Monitor your visibility in the DoorDash app regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.